If you have no money, no one come at your home for staying. How are you? How is it going your home? You can, in our India, 190 million people, they are living without any food. They are sleeping in the night without any food. And you can watch, nowadays it is not poverty. Any people is judging you. कुछ लुट गया कुछ लुटा दिया, कुछ मिट गया कुछ मिटा दिया, कुछ लुट गया कुछ लुटा दिया, कुछ मिट गया कुछ मिटा दिया, जिंदगी ने यूं आजमाया हमें, कुछ छिन गया कुछ गवा दिया. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to say thanks all of you and thanks our great teacher Muhammad Zishan having me this wonderful opportunity. And today I am gonna deliver a speech about poverty. What is poverty? You can go anywhere. There, the people is living. They have no money. They have no food. They are surviving life for give me the money. The people is coming at your home for taking money, for taking food. It is called poverty. And you can go anywhere. They are people living on the road. It is called poverty. And you can go anywhere. They are peeping, selling something like they are not getting more money for living their life. They have no money. That is why they are doing this work. And you can, and if you want to do anything in your life, like you are working hard to become successful person, but you have no money, you can't do anything. Like any people is doing no working, but they have money, they can do anything. Like so many people. Like you can watch, so many people has MBBS degree. They have they have only money. That is why they have MBBS degree. And they are so many people. They have no money. They have more education, more knowledge to him, but they have no money. That is why they are living like this. And you can, in our India, 190 million people, they are living without any food. They are sleeping in the night without any food. And you can watch, nowadays it is not poverty. Any people is judging you. If you have no money, they will tell you he has no money. You can go, you can't come with me. If you have no money, no one come at your home for staying. How are you? How is it going your home? Not anyone come at your home. If you have money, so everyone come at your home every time. If like you can watch. And you can watch APJ Abdul Kalam. He worked hard. They have no money. They work hard for that time. And he was selling newspaper. But I want to one side of this. कि जब तक सफल न हो तुम, नींद चैन को त्यागो तुम, यूं ही अपना सबर का दामन मत छोड़ के भागो तुम, जो ही बिना कहे जय जयकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वाले कभी हार नहीं होती. And you can watch in our village, they have no money. They killed one man for taking only 10,000 money. It is called poverty. They need money. They can do anything. They don't think what is this work, what is that work. They have money, so they can do anything. Like so many people is doing crime nowadays. They want only money. That is why they are doing this work. In our India, so much people is poor because of poverty. And you can watch, if you have money, so you have to give the money poor people. Anywhere you want, anywhere you watch, poor people is living, poor people is going, poor people is sitting. It is your responsibility. You have to give money. And I want to end my speech with one शायरी कि गरीब की किस्मत भी खोटी होती है, कि गरीब की किस्मत भी खोटी होती है, मेहनत के अनुसार आमदनी भी छोटी होती है, दिन भर खून पसीना एक करके खाने शाम के वक्त आधी रोटी ही मिलती है. थैंक यू फॉर लिसनिंग.